Hi everybody, this is Sandra Nardoni from Nimble Homeopathy, and I am on my way down from Gem Lake on the Lumpy Ridge Trail in Rocky Mountain National Park. And today I'm going to talk to you about a great first aid remedy called calendula. Calendula is something that can be used for a lot of different things, but if you are actually out on a trail, or if you have someone that has an injury that is extreme and they're bleeding, calendula is an amazing remedy for stopping bleeding and hemorrhaging. If you want to use it on a wound, you just drop the liquid form on the wound, but you can also take it internally to prevent or stop internal bleeding that might have happened as a result of your fall or whatever's going on. So it's a great remedy. Again, it's one of the ones that Dr. Dorothy Shepherd talks about in her first aid book from World War II. And she actually discovered it in a really funny way. She was going to be helping somebody who was about to have a baby, and that person was a veterinary nurse. And she told Dorothy that before she could work on having a baby, she needed to dock the tails of 4 pedigree pups that had just been born, and she needed to get that done. And when she did it, then she was able to go into labor, and she used calendula to stop the bleeding for the puppies, and that's how Dr. Dorothy figured it out. So I hope that helps you. I'll talk to you later.